Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can make daytime running light from such types. Here I soldered the wires to connect to the side light. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Friends, to install the type, I completely disassembled the headlight and installed the type side, the headlight. I connected the type wires to the headlight to start with the dimension. Decide on the wires. Then connected plus to plus, minus to minus. Friends, only now my right light does not go out yet. It will be necessary to fix the problem. That's all guys, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.